Meanwhile, Union Minister of Civil Aviation Rammohan Naidu Kinjarapu today announced the central government's commitment to develop civil aviation infrastructure in Meghalaya to enhance connectivity and bring its benefits to the state's people. The minister noted that Meghalaya offers significant potential for aviation expansion. Kinjarapu acknowledged two key requests from the state government. The first is to expand Shillong Airport to accommodate larger aircraft, and the second is making Tura Airport operational for takeoffs and landings.
Republic and to secure and being the minister, in fact, our Honorable Chief Minister Conradji has been strongly pursuing since I've been minister for last 5 months, and every day, every minute, he has been constantly pursuing for bettering the aviation facilities in the state of Meghalaya. And two requests that he is strongly pursuing. One is that the Shillong airport should be expanded, and then the bigger flights have to come in, and his dream is to bring a direct flight from Delhi to Shillong. And I assure him that we'll make it a reality. We'll provide the necessary support so that the Shillong airport gets upgraded so the bigger flights also come in.
As political parties gear